3, sección 8. Vamos por este legendario que me está costando.
Do you like your new bedroom?
Yes. El tiempo es bueno. Yes, pero no esta mesa.
Now.
Where would you like to go this weekend?
¿Qué te gustaría hacer este fin de semana? Viajar para ver a mi hermana.
It's sunny today.
It is sunny today.
I would like to see my sister Elsa, but she lives on a big, cold mountain. Would you like to take a trip to the mountains with me?
Ella quiere ir a ver a Lisa.
Leather. Ladder.
Leather.
Julian is taking a trip to Spain. The plane leaves in a few minutes. There are so many seats on the plane, but there are only 10 people.
There are no people on the plane, a few people on the plane.
Julian is taking a trip to Spain. The plane leaves in a few minutes. There are so many seats on the plane, but there are only 10 people.
Few people on the plane.
Playing tennis is
indoors.
It's more difficult.
These men.
Man.
Man. Ese hombre.
How's your English?
Oh, yes. English.
How's your English?
It's snowing hard. There. Mamá Ben no quiere ducharse. Mom. Ben. Doesn't.
Take.
A shower.
Shower.
Doesn't want to take. Do fish usually have lunch. Hay un país más seguro. No es seguro cerca de aquí.
There are any safer countries
here. Do you like spend time outdoors?